Hello children, welcome back to my lesson. Now I'm dealing with the coordinate geometry. The 7.3 exercise I have completed. Now we are mainly going to do with the slopes. Actually, slopes are formed with straight lines. So let us have a small idea about the straight lines. How are straight lines formed? Straight lines are formed by using the equation ax plus by plus c is equal to 0, or another way y is equal to mx plus c. So in this case, what happens if you have x and y coordinates? You will be getting a straight line in this way. This straight line, either in this way you will be getting, or you'll be getting a straight line in this way, which is passing through origin. If it is passing through origin, if the line is passing through origin, what is the formula that you are using? Earlier already you have done it in your lower classes, children. If the line is passing through origin, then we have got another formula, that is y is equal to mx. So these straight lines, when they are taking a bend, they take a bend with forming certain theta here. So this theta, the value of this theta will give you the slope of this line. So slope means how much. See, if you have got if you talk about a ladder, suppose this is a ladder, how much slope or slide which we use? Slide will be used if children will play in the ground, in their playground with the slide. This is the slope. How much slope? It might be like this, it might be like this. So the slope differs according to the construction. So now we are dealing with the topic which deals with mainly slopes. So let us find the general formula for slopes. Slope you can find out. Slope is denoted by m, letter m. And you can determine slope by using the formula y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So mainly this formula is very important to you children. y2 minus y1 is equal to x2 minus x1. So the meaning of slope means how much slope the line is making. Here, either here or here. What is the slope? Whether the slope is more or less, what is the value of the slope? To determine that slope, the formula that we use here in coordinate geometry is m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Apart from this, if the angle made is given, angle made by the line with x-axis, with the x-axis is given, that means like this, with the line with x-axis. If the angle made here, this, if the angle made by the x-axis is given, then slope formula, slope m is equal to tan theta. This is another formula which you need to learn. In some cases, in some problems, they will give you angle. You need to find out slope. You need to find out slope means what is the measure of the angle that they have given. For tan theta, what is its value? If you find out, you will be getting its slope. So this is how, sorry children, you can determine slope. Where m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1, or if the angle is given, slope is equal to tan theta. This is a small introduction, children. I'll go to the problems. Please copy. Now, example 23. The end points of a line segments line segment are 2, 3, 4, 5. Find the slope of the line segment. So let us see what they have given. X1, y1 is given as 2, 3. X2, y2 is given as 4, 5. So what is the formula for slope? I told you. Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2 is 5 minus y1 3 by x2 4 minus x1 2. So how much are you getting? 5 minus 3 2, 4 minus 2 2. It is equal to 1. Therefore, slope of the line segment is equal to 1. This is the answer, children. Very simple sums these are. Please note it down. Now do this sums, children. You have got find the slope of line segment AB. They have given A and B. So let us see the first one. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. So slope M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. That is 2 minus 6 by 7 minus 4. That is 2 plus 6 by 7 minus 4 is 3. That is 8 by 3. This is the answer, children, for this problem. Now let us see the second one. Second one again, this is x1, y1, x2, y2. Slope M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2 is 8 minus y1 is minus 4 by x2 is minus 4 minus x1 is 8. So 8 plus 4 by minus 12. That is 12 by minus 12. Minus 1. So minus 1 is the answer for this bit. And third one. Slope M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. So minus 7 minus y1 minus 5 by x2 1 minus 2. Minus 7 plus 5 by 1 plus 2. That is minus 2 by 3. This is the answer for this bit, children. Please note it down. Now try this sums, children. This sums I am doing because it is very important to get a formula, and that formula is very much needed for you when you are doing your objective type. So let me do even this. So here slope M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. y2 minus y1 by x2 minus, the first one is, sorry, this is also 2 comma 1. I have taken it 1 comma 2, 2 comma 1. So y2 minus y1 is 1 by x2. x2 is 2 minus x1 is 2. That is 5 by 0 you are getting. Any number divided by 0 is not defined. You cannot define because you cannot get this. Now second one, M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Here x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 minus 4. So minus 4 by minus 4 plus 4. This is, you are getting minus 4 by 0. So this is also not defined. You cannot define it. Similarly, here slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. This is x1, y1, x2, y2. So y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So minus 10 by minus 2 plus 2. Here again minus 10 by 0. So this is also not defined. So in these three cases, you are not getting the slope value anything because you have got 0 in the denominator. So it is a non-defined man, no, it cannot be defined. So basing on this, the fourth question is justify AB formed in the above three examples is parallel to y-axis. See children, parallel to y-axis, let me take, for your understanding, let me take uh, coordinate axis. This is 1 2 3 4 5 like this, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. This is like this. I'm not writing the numbers children, I'll just count. So let us see the first one, 2 comma 1 2 comma 6. This is 2 comma 1 is here, and 2 comma 6 5 6. This is 2 comma 6. So how are you getting children? This is the line segment that you are getting here. Or if you extend it, you are getting line like this. And minus 4 comma 2 minus 4 comma minus 2. So minus 4 comma 2 will be here. Minus 4 comma minus 2 will be here. So if you draw a line, you are getting a line like this. This is the line that you are getting. And the third one, minus 2 comma 8. Minus 2 comma 8 means it is, I am taking 1 2 3 4 5 6. So 7 8. This slope of each line. This point I will write here. Slope of each line. So that I can extend it, this one, 6 7 8. So what is that? Minus 2 comma 8. 8 means 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 here. This is minus 2 comma 8, and minus 2 comma minus 2 is here. This is minus. So you can join this and you are getting a straight line like this. You'll be getting a line. So even this, these all lines are parallel. All lines are parallel to y-axis. They all are parallel to y-axis. Why are they parallel? It is because the x coordinates, x values are, we can say that x x coordinate, or you cannot write a coordinate, so x values are same. See children, here you see, here x is 2, here also x is 2, here minus 4 minus 4 minus 2 minus 2. So when you are getting like this, in this case, this kind of ordered pairs when you are getting, you can very clearly say that the given pair of ordered pairs are parallel to y-axis. How are they parallel? I have shown. So that means, what is a formula that we are getting? See, in all these cases, when you have found out the slope, not defined, not defined, not defined. So we will be getting a property for this with the lines. Therefore, the lines parallel to y-axis, parallel to y-axis have parallel to y-axis have their slope as undefined. Undefined, otherwise you can even call it as infinity. The slope is infinity for them. This is a major property which you should remember for your examinations, children. Slope of line which is parallel to y-axis is not defined, which is called undefined or not defined. So in this way, try this sum is giving you a very clear proof. Just like that, if you remember, if you by heart, you don't understand, children. So this problem is giving you a very clear understanding that if the given line segment is parallel to y-axis, it is not defined. But in case in the objective, if it is given to you, how do you understand that the given line is parallel? How do you understand? You can understand by seeing x coordinates. If x values are same, that means what you will understand? Definitely the line is parallel to y-axis. X coordinate will be same. The general formula is k comma some value y1, k comma y2. Like that. Some value you will be getting which is same. If you have got the same x values in the given coordinates, pair of coordinates, then definitely the line is parallel to y-axis. If the line is parallel to y-axis, its slope is not defined or infinity. Very important point for you to understand and also for the sake of examination. Please note it down, children. Concept wise, it is important. That is why I have done this try this sums. Now, even this think and discuss problem also is going to give you another property. So, I'm doing this. Now, in this case, find the slope of AB passing through 3 comma 2 and minus 8 comma 2. So, A is 3 comma 2 and B is minus 8 comma 2. X1, Y1, X2, Y2. Now, see, slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2 is 2 minus y1 is 2 by x2 is minus 8 minus x1 is 3. That is 0 by minus 11. This is nothing but 0. You have got the slope value as 0. Now the question is the line AB parallel to x-axis? This we can do by observing this coordinate axis. Minus 8 means see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. It goes on like this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. It goes on like this. So here also these are the lines that I have taken positive. I am not writing numbers here. 3 comma 2. X1 is, this is 3, Y is 2. This is 3 comma 2 point. 3 comma 2 point. And the next one is minus 8 comma 2. See 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. This is minus 8 and 2 is here. This is minus 8 comma 2. So when you are joining these 2 points and draw a line like this, see this line is parallel to x-axis. So what you will be saying? AB line is parallel to x-axis. He is asking, is the line parallel to x-axis? Yes. Why? Why is it? Because what are you getting? Y values are same. Isn't it? This is 2, this is 2. Y values are same, x values are varying. So definitely AB is parallel to x-axis. So in this case, let me proceed with it. Let me talk about slope. This I want you to learn it. Slope is if a line is parallel to x-axis, then its slope is 0. This is another property which you should learn for the objective purpose, children, and also you should have a thorough knowledge about it. See, in the earlier case, x values are same. So, you have got the line parallel to y-axis. If a line is parallel to y-axis, its slope is not defined. Now, in this case, present situation, you have got the line parallel to x-axis. How can you say that? Because they have got same y values. X value is different, but y value is same. So if a line, if an ordered pair, set of ordered pair has got same y values, then we will say that that line is parallel to x-axis. When that line is parallel to x-axis, what is the slope we have got? 0. So always the slope is 0. So the general idea that we are going to get with these two problems is that if a line is parallel to y-axis, the slope is not defined. If a line is parallel to x-axis, the slope is 0. These 2 points are very, very important, children. Please note it down. Now, example 24, children. Determine x. So that 2 is the slope of the line passing through P2, 5, Q, x, 3. So what is that they have given? They have given slope, that is m is equal to 2. And coordinates of P. What are they? 2, 5. That means x1, y1. Then coordinates of Q. X, 3. x2, y2. Now we know that m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So what is m? M is 2 is equal to y2 3 minus y1 5 by x2 x minus x1 2. So what am I getting here? 2 is equal to minus 2 by x minus 2. So 2 into x minus 2 is equal to minus 2. 2x minus 4 is equal to minus 2. So what is the 2x? 2x is equal to minus 2 plus 4. I sent minus 4 that side. 2x is equal to 2. X is equal to 2 by 2. That is 1. Therefore, x value is 1. This is the answer for this problem, children. Please note it down. This is example 24. Exercise 7.4, children. In this, find the slope of the line passing through the given points. First one is 4, minus 8 and 5, minus 2. So this is x1, y1, x2, y2. So slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So what is y2? y2 is minus 2, minus y1 is minus 8, by x2 5, minus x1 is 4. That is equal to 2 plus 8 by 1, that is 10. Slope is 10. This is the answer for the first one, children. This is minus 2, no? Sorry. This is minus 2 plus 8. Minus 2 plus 8 means 6. Slope is 6. This is the answer for the first bit. And second bit, 0, 0 and root 3, 3. So x1, y1, x2, y2. Slope m is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2 is 3 minus y1. This is x1, y1. No, this is 0 by x2 root 3. x2 minus x1, 0. So what am I getting? 3 by root 3. This can be written as 3 can be written as root 3 into root 3 by root 3. These two will get cancelled. Root 3 is the slope of this. The answer is root 3. So this is second sum. Now let me see the third bit. What is the third bit? 2a comma 3b and a comma minus b. So x1, y1, x2, y2. M is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus b minus y1 3b by x2 a minus x1 2a. So how much I am getting? Minus 4b by a minus 2a minus a. These two will get cancelled. So the answer is 4b by a. This is the answer for third bit. Now fourth bit, a comma 0 and 0 comma b. x1, y1, x2, y2. Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 minus y1, b minus 0 by x2, 0 minus a. So how much am I getting? b by minus a. That is minus b by a is the answer for this problem. Fourth one. Now let us go to the fifth one. Fifth one. A minus 1 comma 4 minus 1 comma 4 minus 1.4 comma minus 3.7 and b minus 2.4 comma 1.3. x1, y1, x2, y2. Slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 is 1.3 minus y1 minus 3.7 by x2 minus 2.4 minus x1 minus 1.4. So this is nothing but 1.3 minus into minus plus 3.7 by minus 2.4 minus into minus plus 1.4. So how much I am getting? 1.3 and 3.7. If you add 10, 5. 5 by, see, from 2.4, if you subtract 1.4, you are getting 1. And that too minus 1 because 2.4 is more. So that is nothing but minus 5 is the answer. Slope is minus 5. Now, sixth bit, a 3 comma minus 2 and b minus 6 comma minus 2. x1, y1, x2, y2. So slope is equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. y2 is minus 2 minus minus 2 by x2 minus 6 minus 3. So that is equal to minus 2 plus 2 by minus 9. These two will get cancelled. 0 by 9. 0 is the answer. So up to this you copy, children. Remaining bits I will be doing after rubbing this. Now seventh bit, A minus 3 1 by 2 comma 3 and B minus 7 comma 2 1 by 2. Okay, so x1 y1 x2 y2. So slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So y2 2 1 by 2 minus y1 is 3 by x2 minus 7 minus 3 1 by 2. So this is equal to 2 to the 4 1 5 by 2 minus 3 by minus 7 minus into minus plus 3 2s are 6 1 7 by 2. This means numerator take LCM 2 5 minus 6 by here also LCM 2 minus 14 plus 7. That means how much am I getting? Minus 1 by 2 by minus 7 by 2. This means minus 1 by 2 into 2 by minus 7. Minuses will get cancelled. 2. This is 1 by 7 is the answer. This is the slope. Okay, this is 7th bit. Now 8th bit. Now 8th bit. 8th bit is A 0 comma 4 and B 4 comma 0. X1 Y1 X2 Y2. So M is equal to Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1. Y2 minus Y1 by X2 minus X1. So what is this? Minus 4 by 4. Minus 1. Therefore, slope is equal to minus 1 is the answer. So, 7th and 8th bits, children. So with this, coordinate geometry chapter is finished. I'll be doing next topic in my next class.